Aguila. Pass to Libat. Aquino. 2 points by Aquino. Lamban. Pass to Guevara. Pass to... Gonzales pala yan. Guevara ako.
Lamban.
Gonzales. No good. Nakuha ni Guevara. Guevara 15 to shoot. Aguila 2 points. Cow dribbling the ball. Cow pass to Lacaba. Back to Cow. 15 to shoot. Cow. Pass to Aquino. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. Sema. 10 to shoot. Traveling violation.
Rapas.
Lamban, pass to Guevara. Guevara setting the play. Pass to Lamban. 15 to shoot. Lamban. No good. 10 to shoot. Foul. Who's foul hurt? Aquino. Post personal foul. Post team foul. First throw, no good. Second throw, no good again. Nakuha ni Almonte, nakuha ni Cow. Cow nagmamadali, Cow drives 2 points by Cow. Lamban. Nagdadala ng bola, Lamban. Pass to Guevara. Guevara, pass to Gonzales. 15 to shoot. 2 points by Gonzales. Libat, pass to Cow.
Nagagandahang mga SK.
Cow. Setting the play. Pass to Aquino. Pass to Libat. 15 to shoot. Pass to Lacaba tumira. No good. Nakuha ni Guevara nagmamadali. Guevara. Foul. Aliping. Okay, sorry. Aquino, pass to Cow. Cow, setting the play. Cow. Pass to Lacaba 15 to shoot. Pass to Aquino. No good. Ako ni Lamban nagkanababasan ako ni Almonte. Long pass to Gonzales. Nagawa ni Cow. Tumira na tres. No good. Ako ni Almonte. Foul. Jersey number 22. First personal foul, second team foul. Lamban, pass to Guevara. Pass to Lamban, traveling violation. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Cow, pass to Aquino, back to Cow. Pass to Libat. Nawawala ang bola, Libat 15 to shoot. Ako ni Aquino lays up. Nugod ako ni Libat, Binova. Offensive foul. Jersey number 5, first personal foul. Second team foul. Gonzales. Gonzales pass to Lamban. Nakuha ni si Rapas. Nakuha ni Gonzales. Gonzales spin move. Nakuha ni Libat. Libat nagkarabaw sa Libat behind the back. Libat pass to Lacaba. Lacaba back to Libat. 50 to shoot. Pass to Aquino. Aquino drives down to shoot. This number 29. First personal foul. First team foul. And to shoot po tayo. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. Nakuha ni Lacaba. Lacaba pass to Kawa. Ulit tres. Nakuha ni Lamban. Lamban. Nagmamadali Lamban. Nawin. Nakuha ni Aquino. Nagmamadali Aquino. Aquino drives. Nakuha ni Libat. 2 points by Libat. Timeout. Silent. Kaulo was the Libat. Libat nagmamadali Libat drives. Nakuha ulit ni Libat. Pass to Corona. Pass to Cow. 50 to shoot. Cow. Pass to sino to?
Sartones.
8 to shoot. Aquino pumakal na tres. Nakuha ni Lamba. Sino yun? Magtibay. Sorry. Nalilito yung committee. Gonzales. Nakuha ni
Magtibay. Nakapulang short.
Cow. Nagmamadali. Cow, Eurostep. Ang ganda naman nun, tol. 2 points by Cow.
Thank you.
Guevara. Guevara nagmamadali si Guevara. 2 points by Guevara.